Last period, I taught about a renewal of bill. Renewal of bill means cancelling the old bill at the request of the drawee for the purpose of extension of credit and drawing a fresh bill is called renewal of a bill. In the case of renewal, we have to make mainly four entry. First one, cancelling the old bill means like a dishonor of the bill. So entry will be, so if it is a normal bill, dishonor, what is generally Aparna in the books of drawer? First
Sir,
dishonor if it is a normal bill.
Y account debtor to bills receivable account.
Yes, Y account to bills receivable account. Drawee account to bills receivable account. Next, interest receivable. Interest receivable. Anjo, generally. Interest receivable. In the books of drawer. Interest receivable.
Y account debtor to interest.
Y account to interest. Next, any part payment received. Part payment received from Y. Tomlin, part payment received from Y.
Cash account, bills receivable
Yes,
account.
cash account to Y. Then accepting a new bill. New bill accepted. Hanna.
Bills receivable account to Y.
Yes, bills receivable account to Y. Then in the books of drawee, first cancelling the old bill means dishonor. Anat. Cancelling the old bill. Cancelling the old bill. And dishonor of in the books of drawee, I am telling. Hello. Bills payable account to drawer X. Bills payable account to X. Next, interest pay part payment paid. Part payment made. Karthik in the books of drawee. If drawer is X.
Interest account debtor to
Yes, interest account to X drawer. Interest account to drawer. Next, interest account X, interest payable. Next, part payment made. Part payment made. Aditya, part payment made. Anila Pavitra, turn on your video. Aditya. Aditya. Part payment made. Aditya. Anat, part payment made.
Sir, X account debtor to cash account.
Yes, X account to cash account. Last, acceptance given. New acceptance given. Sharath, new acceptance given.
Bills receivable account debtor to
That is in the books of drawer. So in the books of drawee,
bills payable account debtor to X
No, opposite. X account to bills payable. Okay. So now we will continue. Renewal of bill, second question. Renewal of bill, second question. Adil sold goods to worth rupees 3,000 on credit to Shamil on 7th May and drew a bill for the amount on the latter at 3 months. Shamil accepted the bill and returned it to Adil. Adil discounted the bill at 12% per annum with his bank. Here discounting is there compared to last question. Discounting is there. On maturity, the bill was returned dishonored with 20 as noting charges. Shamil made a request to Adil to draw a new bill for the period of 2 months. For the period of 2 months, renewal. Interest directly given 80. The bill is, then we have to make a new bill. Then that bill is endorsed to Mohan. Okay, and it was met on the due date. Okay, here, so we received a bill from Shamil, then that bill we discounted, then renewal, then after renewal, that new bill we endorsed to Mohan, then at the time of maturity, it is honored, met on the due date. But in the books of drawer, no entry. Last, because it is endorsement. We endorsed that bill to Mohan. So at the time of maturity, who will get the amount? Which one? Mohan only will get it. 1 minute. So I think that we didn't complete last question in the books of drawing. Okay. So first I will do that one. Journal entries in the books of Shamil. First question. Yesterday we did in the books of drawer. Now in the books of drawing, Shamil. 7th May 2014, first entry, you have to look in the books of drawer. First entry, sale. So here it will be purchase. So entry will be purchase account debtor to Adil account. Purchase account debtor to Adil account being purchased goods from Adil. Purchased goods from Adil. So 3,000. Next, second entry. Their bills receivable, here bills payable. Adil account debtor to bills payable being acceptance given. Next, on due date, a renewal. Renewal is there. So first there you have to look in the books of drawer, cancelling entry. So here no noting charge is there. 10, 8, 14. Here we know that only one entry. Bills payable account debtor to drawer. If noting charge is there, bills payable account debtor, noting charge account to drawer. To Adil being bill cancelled. So you have to look, if you know the journal entries in the books of drawer, then it will be easy. If it is sale, opposite purchase. Bills receivable, bills payable. Opposite only. If it is sale, you have to look, it is a purchase debit. Bills receivable, here bills payable liability credit. Okay, now next entry we wrote part payment. Is it correct? Part payment we wrote in the books of Adil. What we wrote? Cash account to Shamil we wrote. Okay, there cash received. Here we paid amount to Adil. So next entry, Adil account to cash account. Adil accounted to cash account. Same date. Adil account debtor to cash account, being cash paid to Adil. Being cash paid to Adil. Amount 500. Same amount. The next entry we wrote in the books of drawer, interest. Their interest credit. Here interest debit. Interest accounted to Adil. Being interest payable. Being interest payable. Same amount. Amount 75, no? Next, new bill. Same date, new bill. Adil accounted to bills payable. Adil accounted to bills payable. Being acceptance given. Being acceptance given. Being acceptance given. So amount 2575. Same amount what we wrote in the books of drawer. Then last entry, the new bill was met at maturity. We wrote cash account bills receivable here at the time of maturity. So period of new period 3 months. So 13, 11, 14 bills payable accounted to cash account. Bills payable accounted to cash account. Being amount of bill. Here new acceptance given you get. Being amount of bill. Paid. Being amount of bill paid. Bills payable account to cash. Okay, so first purchase account to Adil, second Adil account to bills payable, then renewal. First cancel, bills payable account to Adil, then part payment, Adil account to cash, then interest, your expense, interest account to Adil, then new bill, Adil account to bills payable, then mature date, the bill is honored, so bills payable account to cash account. Suppose same question, this specified prepare which account, prepare Shamil account. Suppose the same question, pass journal entries in the books of Adil and prepare Shamil account. Like that question you can expect. Okay, only journal entries in the books of drawer and prepare Shamil account. So we will do Shamil account. Ledger. Date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount. Because bill of exchange date it is given. Date, particulars, amount, date, particulars, amount. Suppose the question is pass journal entries in the books of Adil and prepare Shamil account. So we will do Shamil account. So you tell journal entries in the books of drawer, in the books of Adil. There only we will get information about Shamil. Aparna, first one, first entry in the books of drawer.
So Shamil account debtor to sales account.
Yes, Shamil account to sales account. So Shamil is, so now we are preparing ledger. Shamil is in that entry. Shamil is debit. So debit side, you have to write opposite aspect to sales. To sales account. Amount 3,000. Okay, so you have to look in that entry whether Shamil is debit or credit. If it is debit, debit you write opposite aspect. Next entry, bills receivable account to Shamil. So in that entry, Shamil is credit. So credit side you have to write opposite aspect by bills receivable account. Okay, so you look the journal entries in the books of drawer. Okay, first entry, Shamil account to sales. So Shamil is debit, debit side you write to sale, to sale. Second, bills receivable account to Shamil. So in that entry, Shamil is credit. So credit side you write by bills receivable. Next, third entry, Anjo, third entry what?
Shamil account debtor to bills receivable.
Yes, Shamil account to bills receivable. So say Shamil account to bills receivable, date 10/8/14, Shamil is debit. So to bills receivable. So if any not charge is there, to cash also will come. To bills receivable 3,000. So next entry, cash account to Shamil. Cash account to Shamil. So Shamil is credit. So credit side you have to write by cash account 500. Okay. After dishonor, next entry, cash account to Shamil. Next entry, Shamil account to interest. Shamil account to interest. So Shamil is debit to interest. To interest 75. Interest 75. Next, new bill entry, bills receivable account to Shamil. So Shamil is credit. Shamil is credit. So by Shamil. $2,575.
Sir, by bills receivable.
Sorry. By bills receivable. By bills receivable account, opposite aspect, bills receivable account to Shamil. So by bills receivable. By bills receivable account. Okay, then the last entry, cash account to bills receivable. Cash account to bills receivable. It will not come here because here Shamil is not there. Okay, so you have to do the total. 6,075. Both the side equal. So if it is not equal, you have to write the balance. Suppose the same question. So I said no. Question will be past journal entries in the books of Adil and prepare Shamil account. Sometimes here they didn't give Adil sold goods. They given Shamil owed rupees 3,000 to Adil. Shamil owed which one? 3,000 to Adil. So then no need of first entry. Which one? Shamil account to sales. But while preparing the Shamil account, first you have to write to balance BD. Means this amount. So if you write sales, that's no problem. So already I said when I was telling that point, which one owed, question number, endorsement of a bill, first question, why owed? In that time I said, if owed it is given, if you write sale, if you prepare Shamil account it is there, drawing account is there, then you write the sales entry. Then no need of balance BD. To sales you can write. To sales or to balance BD you can write. Okay. So next, any doubts? Tomlin, any doubt?
No, sir.
Next, next question. Adil sold goods, already I explained here. Discounting is there, that renewal, then new bill we endorsed to Mohan. Past journal entries in the books of both the parties. So if you want, we can write three parties, endorsee also. Okay. Journal entries, first, journal entries in the books of, journal entries in the books of Adil. Journal entries in the books of Adil. First, 7th May 2014, Shamil account debtor to sales account. being sold goods to Shamil. Sold goods to Shamil. Next one, same. Bills receivable account debtor, bills amount 3,000. Bills receivable account debtor to Shamil. To Shamil account, being acceptance received. Being acceptance received. Same amount. First entry, Shamil account to sales. Then bills receivable account to Shamil. Next, here drawer discounted the bill at 12% per annum with X bank. So date it is not given. So the same date, 7/5/14. Discounting the bill. Journal entry. Aparna, journal. Discounting the bill.
Sir, bank account debtor
Yes,
to
bank.
discount account debtor to bills receivable account.
Yes, bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable account. To bills receivable account, being bill discounted with bank. With bank. So here you have to find discount. It is given 12%. So you know that how to calculate a discount. When we discount that discount to maturity date. So period is 3 months. So if we discounted 8th June means 2 months. Okay. So here 3 months. So 3/12. So 3,000 is the amount of the bill. Out of that, 90 discount. Okay, bank account debtor, discount account to bills receivable. Now, on the maturity bill dishonored means that is a renewal only. Renewal case. So this is which one? Which bill is dishonored? Discounted bill is dishonored. Discounted bill is dishonored. So maturity date 10/8/14. Discounted bill is dishonored. Karthik Jewelry.
Sir, bills receivable account debtor.
Dishonor, I am telling. Dishonor. If dishonor is there, debit we know that. Cancelling. Cancelling the old bill. Bill dishonored. Here discounted bill is dishonored. So debit will be Shamil account debtor, drawee account to here discounted bill. So to bank. Last question, normal bill to bills receivable. Okay, Karthik?
Yes, sir. I got confused.
Being bill cancelled. So here noting charge is there 20. So if it is a discounted bill, bank is paying the noting charges. So together 3020. Clear? 3000 plus 20. 3020. Now next, any part payment received? No part payment. Is it correct? No part payment. Do a new bill for the period of 2 months for which interest of rupees 80 is charged. Only that it is given. No part payment. So only three entry. Next, interest. So interest is directly given. So interest journal entry. Tomlin, interest journal entry in the books of drawer.
Y account debted to.
Yes, Shamil accounted to interest. Shamil accounted to interest. Okay, being interest receivables. Being interest receivable. So here directly it is given 80. Next, new bill. New bill, it is given that do a new bill for the period of 2 months for which interest is charged. So 10, 8, 14, bills receivable account debtor, bills receivable account debtor to Shamil. Being new acceptance received. New acceptance received. New acceptance, how to calculate? Cancel the bill 3020 plus 80. Okay, cancel. Noting charge is there, that also you have to pay. Who? Shamil have to give to Adil. So 3020 plus interest, so 3100. Last question, no noting charge. Okay, here 3020 plus 80 he is entitled to get from Shamil. So 3100. Then it is given the bill is endorsed to Mohan. The bill is endorsed to Mohan. Date it is not given. So same date, not mature date. Same date. 10, 8, 14. Jewelry. Aparna, jewelry. This bill,
So
this new bill
Mohan
endorsed
account,
to Mohan.
Mohan account debtor to bills receivable.
Yes, Mohan account to bills receivable account. Being new bill endorsed to Mohan. Mohan accounted to bills receivable. So one thing you have to remember here, the bill was met on the maturity. Okay, it was met on the due date. But one thing you have to remember here, the new bill is we given endorsed to Mohan. We endorsed to Mohan. So at the time of maturity, no entry, because who will get the amount? Only Mohan will get the amount. NOC will get the amount. So in the books of NOC, first we will write bills receivable account to Adil 3,100. Then at the time of maturity, cash account to bills receivable. Cash account to bills receivable. Okay. If it is bill is dishonored means Adil account to bills receivable. Clear? So at the time of maturity, no entry in the books of drawer. Why? Because the new bill is endorsed to Mohan. Clear? Any doubts? So next period, we will do journal entries in the books of drawing. Okay.